That's for dining haters, ice in my vein. Keep it cool like a Siberian train.
Today's video is sponsored by the one and only King. The new audio modifier sounds like the perfect tool to animate anything in your music. A normal scenario is that you have your edit in the music and you want to animate a part of it. You add an adjustment clip, and open the Fusion page, to use this new tool. Let's say you want to animate the size with this new Fairlight animator. Good luck, nothing is happening. If you go to the Modifiers tab, you can see there is no sound. That's because this is trying to use the original sound from your given clip. This is good if you want to animate your ugly face talking, with the original audio. For every normal person who want to use this tool in its full potentials, there is a workaround. You need to export the exact part of the audio that you want, select to export only the audio, and import that file into your library. Once you've done this, you are ready to go to the Fusion page again. Select a slider to modify with the Fairlight animator. Go to the Modifiers tab. In this box that says Clip Name, you need to drag your exported audio file. Now the modifier is using the audio file that you want.
That's for dining haters, ice in my vein. Keep it cool like a Siberian train.
Here you can be creative and experiment with different effects and sliders to animate to the beat. This is a great modifier, and hopefully Blackmagic will make it easier to use the current audio that you have in the timeline. Here comes my very sneaky subliminal message: buy my pack.